Good Friday morning. It is the 23rd of May, 2025. Really quick look at the weather. It's going to be a breezy day and chilly. Highs only at the low mid 60s. The breezes will make it feel more like the 50s. Tonight will be in the 40s, tomorrow in the 60s as well as Sunday, although will be probably around 70 on Sunday. Maybe a shower Sunday night, but Memorial Day has now turned dry with highs up around 70 as well. Which is really nice, and rain chances will come back in early next, Tuesday through the following part of the week. So yeah, here we go through the weekend. It's looking dry. Not terrible. I mean, this should be really pretty temperature-wise and everything else. With nighttime's kind of chilly, but the days getting up into the 60s and around 70 will be nice. Kind of breezy still as well. But then Sunday evening, overnight, maybe there's a shower. You see it here kind of pushing through. This is early Monday morning, late Sunday night, whatever you want to call it. But that quickly moves on through, and then we get this reinforcing shot here of a high. So maybe a little bit of breeze around on Monday, but nice day shaping up before unsettled weather returns. As we see Tuesday, as the return flow happens. Now this is also cool air damage, so it's going to get much chillier. It says now highs up into the low 60s. It is possible again. We may only see upper 50s depending on when the rain gets in here. This looks kind of chilly with cool air filtering down east of the mountains. But hey, we get the rain again, which we strongly need. We're a couple inches short of actually being caught up. Like 3 to 5 inches, somewhere in that range. So still pretty big. So you get that deficit on top of the need for, the regular rain. So we need to continue to get rain, but we also need to get some abundant rain in order to overcome the drought. Anyway, here low is going to cause some unsettled weather through most of the week, and then another disturbance moves in here later in the week to cause more rain chances on Friday, and then we'll look because next weekend could be yet again dealing with some wetness. We'll have to see how this pans out. Let's get so far off now. It's hard to say, but this is a big upper low system again. Showers and storms and things like that could come through, but it could also continue to keep our temperatures below normal. Now, late in the period, we see these strong southwesterly winds kind of coming into play, so that's going to bring the temperatures back up. Even though another front may knock us down a little bit, it doesn't look nearly as chilly as what it does over the next week. Still unsettled. It doesn't look like, overabundance of crazy amounts of rain, but definitely unsettled weather pattern in general. Let's look at what the temperature anomalies look like in general over the next week. So we're going to be pretty below normal. I mean, that's today into tonight and tomorrow. Much below normal temperatures for this area. 10, 20 degrees below zero at times. 20 below normal, not 20 below zero. That'd be really crazy. 20 below normal, but you see the cooler air, in the 10, 15, 20 degrees below normal is sticking around all through next week. So here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, the pool temperatures be chilly because nighttime lows especially would get really chilly. Here's Tuesday. Look at this. Getting really chilly air. We're negative 10 to 20 degrees or even more below normal as we go through the middle part of next week. And then only late next week do we see maybe Thursday, Friday, we getting back to near normal temperatures up into the 70s maybe. And maybe even a little bit above normal briefly before, again, some cool air kind of keeps us chilly. So we'll have to see if all this pans out. But the trend in general is chilly until we get late. And this is where I was saying the southwesterly winds start to get involved and maybe we get back to normal at least in temperatures. So that's kind of what we're seeing there. So what does it overall look like precipitation-wise over the next week? Local. So we'll go to local here in a second. This is what the Weather Prediction Center is showing for us. Not a ton of rain. This is what I meant. Like, it's unsettled, but it's not super wet. Obviously, we get a thunderstorm that can increase. Some of the heavier rain is now shifted south. So around half an inch to an inch of rain is looks like for Loudoun County over the next 7 days. All right, this is your Loudoun County Weather Outlook for Friday, May 23rd. Have an awesome day.